In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send statements in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to efficiently manage their business finances and communicate clearly with their customers. We'll go through a few simple steps that will have you creating and sending statements in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. Once you're there, you'll find the Sign In button conveniently placed at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password to access your account. After typing in your credentials, click Sign In once more. This will take you directly into the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Now that we're inside QuickBooks, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and look for the option labeled Sales. Once you click on it, you'll see various options under the sales category. Here you're going to select Customers to view your customer list. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, as it is where all your customer data is stored. You can scroll through the list or use the search feature to quickly find the specific customer for whom you want to create a statement. After selecting your customer, move your cursor to the Batch Actions drop-down menu. It's usually easy to spot and designed to make multiple customer interactions more efficient. Click on the drop-down to reveal more options. From the list, choose Create Statements. This action will open up a new window where you can customize the time period for which you'd like the statement to cover. You'll notice options to change both the start and the end date, allowing you the flexibility to tailor each statement to your business needs. Once you've set the appropriate date range, look towards the bottom of the page for a Save and Send button. Clicking this will prepare the statement for dispatch to your customer. Review the details to ensure everything is in order, and when you're satisfied, you'll find another button labeled Send. Click it and the statement will be emailed to your customer directly from QuickBooks. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've efficiently created and sent a statement to your customer in QuickBooks Online. This process not only helps maintain clear financial communication with your clients, but also streamlines your billing by keeping everything organized and timely. Make sure to repeat this process whenever you need to send statements, and you'll find it becomes second nature in no time. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for even more QuickBooks tips and tricks to help you run your business smoothly.